Small serving size is great for snacks and meal prep, plus pantry and craft storage. Quik Clik Seal lids make an audible click to let you know they're securely closed. Lids have ridges for easy stacking, so they take up less space in your cabinets. Graduation marks on bases for convenient measuring. Set includes 6 0.5 cup containers and lids. Microwave-safe base, BPA-free, freezer-safe, and top-rack dishwasher-safe. Perfect as snack cups, these 0.5 cup Rubbermaid TakeAlongs Snack Containers are also great for dressing and sauce, or even craft items. The snap of the Quik Clik Seal lids helps you know they're closed tight, and graduation marks help you neatly measure. These stackable BPA-free containers are freezer and top-rack dishwasher safe, and have microwave-safe bases. Top reviews from the United States. It's Rubbermaid, so you know they are good. I splurged and bought these for CAD $3.47 per 6-pack since I needed a small leak-proof container to hold my flax seeds that I soak in water overnight and then take to work in my lunch or work bag, to eat with my breakfast oatmeal cereals. Normally, I would buy dollar store containers, but from experience I know they can be a hit and miss when it comes to being leak-proof. These containers are very small, so I know the chances of them turning upside down or tipping on their side in my bag was very high, so I wanted to make sure I got something leak-proof. True to its brand, these containers are sturdy and leak-proof. I filled the container with water and turned it upside down. I tossed it up and down in the air, shook it side to side, and not a single drop of water leaked from the container.